Hello everyone, my name is Sheikh Mastan Wali. I am doing my BE Mechanical Engineering in Janssens Institute of Technology. So today I came up with the topic intellectual property right. So what is an intellectual property right? So in this video we'll be going through few topics which will take you around intellectual property rights. So the first topic will be what is an intellectual property right? So what are the types including in it and how and why we need an intellectual property and the laws including intellectual property right. So the primarily intellectual property right. What is it? Intellectual property right refers to the legal right given to the inventor or creator to protect his invention or creation for a certain period of. The second one, why intellectual property right? Why we need it? So there are various reasons behind granting protection to intellectual property. So they are as follows: to encourage inventions and creations that promote the social, economic, scientific, and cultural development of society by the creators and allowing them to make economic gains out of the creations. So coming to the next thing, what are the types involving in intellectual property right? I mean to say, which or all things comes under intellectual property. So there are four things mainly. Those are patents, trademark, geographical things, exclusive right granted for an invention or innovation, which might be a product, a method of process that introduces a novel way of doing something or offers a new technical solution to a problem. And trademark. It is a symbol that is used to distinguish the goods of an enterprise from its competitors. A trademark may consist of a single letter, logo, symbol, design, or numerical and three-dimensional features such as shape and packing. The trademark is a symbol that identifies a product and its source. It reflects the goodwill of a business. And the other thing is industrial designs. An industrial design means the ornamental or visual aspects of an article. It may consist of three-dimensional features, the shape of an article, or two-dimensional features such as lines, patterns, or colors. An industrial design is purely aesthetic, non-functional, and has no utility. So, the type of protection provided for industrial design is the owner of a registered industrial design reserves the right to prevent others from manufacturing, selling, or importing articles bearing a design which is a copy of or is sustainably similar to the protected design. The final thing is geographical indications. A geographical indication is used to identify goods having a specific geographical origin. These indications denote quality, reputation, or other characteristics of such goods essentially attributable to their geographical origin. And coming to the laws involved in the intellectual property right in India, these are the few laws other than the four we have discussed earlier. The Protect Varieties and Farmers' Right Act 2001 seeks to provide the legal protection to plant varieties, rights of farmers and plant breeders, and also encourages development of new plant varieties. The Biological Diversity Act 2002. The Biological Diversity Act 2002 provide, provided for the conservation of biological diversity, sustainable use of its components, and fair and equitable sharing of the benefits arising out of these uses of biological resource and knowledge. The other thing is the World Intellectual Property Organization. It was established on 14th July 1967. It is a global forum for intellectual property services, policies, information, and cooperation. Its aim is to develop an effective and balanced international IP system that encourages innovation and creativity for the benefit of all. So, WIPO has 193 members to intellectual applications for intellectual property rights to provide legal and technical assistance concerning IP to developing and other countries, facilitating resolutions of private intellectual property disputes. Thank you.